Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest products on the market? Well, you are in the right place here. We present the latest and the best ergonomic chair of this year. If you want to buy these amazing products, then go through the links which are given in the description box. Product 1: Smile Mart Steady 22.5 in Executive Chair. The Smile Mart Steady 22.5 in Executive Chair is a versatile and comfortable seating solution designed for executive, gaming, or office use. With a weight capacity of 300 pounds, this chair is built to accommodate a wide range of users, providing both support and style. Key features: ergonomic design. The Smile Mart Steady Executive Chair boasts an ergonomic design to ensure maximum comfort during long working or gaming sessions. It features a high backrest that provides excellent support for your spine and neck, reducing the risk of discomfort and fatigue. Sturdy construction. The chair is designed to be robust and durable. Thanks to its sturdy frame and high-quality materials, it can withstand a weight capacity of up to 300 pounds, making it suitable for users of varying sizes. Contemporary style. The chair is available in a sleek white finish, adding a touch of modern elegance to any office or gaming setup. Its clean lines and you need a comfortable chair for long office hours, or an ergonomic gaming chair for extended gaming sessions. The Smile Mart Steady Executive Chair is a versatile option that can cater to various needs. Adjustability. This chair offers several adjustment options, including height adjustment and a 360-degree swivel function, allowing you to customize it to your preferred seating position. The smooth rolling casters make it easy to move around the room. Easy assembly. Assembly is strict. Product 2: Ergonomic Office Chair. The ergonomic office chair, mentioned in the provided context, is a crucial piece of furniture designed to enhance comfort and productivity in a professional workspace. This particular office chair is highlighted for its ergonomic features: adjustable headrest, black fabric finish, and a substantial weight capacity of 275 pounds. With dimensions of 25.25 x 24.25 x 44.000 inches, it is designed to accommodate users of various sizes and preferences. Here's an overview of the key aspects of this ergonomic office chair. Ergonomic design. Ergonomics is at the core of this office chair's design. It is engineered to provide maximum comfort and support to the user, which is essential for long hours of work at a desk. The ergonomic features help reduce strain on the body, particularly the back and neck. Adjustable headrest. The adjustable headrest is a notable feature that allows users to customize their seating experience. This feature promoting proper posture and reducing the risk of discomfort or pain associated with prolonged sitting. Black fabric finish. The chair's black fabric finish not only adds a professional and sleek aesthetic to the office space, but is also easy to clean and maintain. It is a versatile color choice that complements various office decor styles. Weight capacity. With a weight capacity of 275 pounds, this office chair is suitable for a wide range of users, ensuring that it can accommodate most individuals comfortably and safely. Dimensions. The chair's dimensions of 25.25 x 24.25 x 44.000 inches provide ample space for users to sit comfortably, and the chair's adjustability allows them to find the right position to work efficiently. Productivity and well-being. An ergonomic office chair like this one is an essential investment for any office or workspace. It not only enhances productivity by reducing discomfort and fatigue, but also promotes the well-being of employees by offering proper lumbar support and headrest adjustability. Durability. The chair is likely designed to withstand the rigors of everyday use, ensuring it remains a reliable and long-lasting addition to the office. Product 3. Product name. Chair. Ergonomic desk chair. The chair, ergonomic desk chair with 3D adjustable headrest and armrests, lumbar support, and silver wheels reclining high back mesh C, is a sophisticated and comfortable seating solution designed to enhance the ergonomic experience of individuals who spend extended periods working at a desk. This chair combines several key features that prioritize user comfort and support, making it an excellent choice for both office and home office environments. Ergonomic design. The chair is specifically designed with ergonomics in mind. It features a high backrest that provides excellent lumbar support, promoting good posture and reducing the risk of back strain or discomfort during long hours of work. 3D adjustable headrest. The inclusion of a 3D adjustable headrest is a standout feature. This feature allows users to customize the headrest's position according to their preferences, providing neck and head support that is tailored to their unique needs. Adjustable armrests. The chair is equipped with adjustable armrests that can be positioned at various heights and angles. This adaptability ensures that users can find the most comfortable armrest position to reduce strain in the shoulders and arms. Mesh backrest. The chair features a mesh backrest. Mesh is a breathable material that enhances airflow, keeping the user cool and comfortable during extended sitting periods. It also conforms to the shape of the user's back, providing continuous support. Reclining functionality. This ergonomic chair offers a reclining feature, allowing users to tilt the backrest to their preferred angle. This flexibility enables users to take short breaks and change sitting positions without having to leave their desk. Silver wheels. The inclusion of silver wheels not only adds a touch of style, but also ensures smooth and quiet movement across various floor surfaces. It enhances the chair's overall mobility and accessibility. Durability and aesthetics. The chair is not only aesthetically pleasing, its modern design and quality materials make it a stylish addition to any workspace, while ensuring long-lasting durability. Product name Ergonomic Office Chair. An ergonomic office chair is a vital piece of furniture designed to provide comfort and support during long hours of desk work. The description provided refers to a specific model featuring an adjustable headrest, black fabric upholstery, and a substantial weight capacity of 275 pounds, which makes it suitable for various users, including computer gamers. Ergonomic office chairs are meticulously engineered to promote optimal body posture and reduce the risk of discomfort, fatigue, and musculoskeletal issues that can result from prolonged sitting. Here's an overview of the key features and benefits typically associated with ergonomic office chairs. Adjustability. Ergonomic office chairs, like the one mentioned, often come with a wide range of adjustable features. The adjustable headrest is a notable feature as it can help support the neck and head, especially during tasks that involve looking at screens for extended periods. Other common adjustments include seat height, lumbar support, armrest height and width, and tilt mechanisms. Comfort. Ergonomic chairs prioritize comfort through features like padded seats, contoured backrests, and breathable upholstery materials. These elements work together to reduce pressure points and promote a more relaxed sitting experience. Posture support. Proper body alignment is crucial for minimizing strain on the spine and muscles. Ergonomic chairs are designed to encourage a healthy sitting posture, which helps prevent back pain and other discomforts associated with poor posture. Weight capacity. Chairs with a high weight capacity, such as the one with a 275 pounds capacity mentioned, are versatile and can accommodate a wide range of users, ensuring durability and longevity. Durability. Ergonomic chairs are built to withstand the rigors of daily use, often featuring sturdy frames and high-quality materials to ensure they last for many years. Enhanced productivity. Comfortable and well-supported employees are more likely to remain focused and productive throughout the workday. Thanks for watching. Links are in the description box. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.